We are gathered here with this ring to join this house with the new owner. If anyone amongst you think this house and the new owner should not marry, please speak now or forever hold your peace. Yes, the new owner is a serious buyer, and this house is a beautiful house. So here is a four-bedroom, fully detached. No, I mean this house is a five-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a BQ, a laundry room, and hold on, it's a fully smart house. Yes, in the heart of Omole Phase 1. The price is good if you ask me. So, the bride price of this house is not expensive. Trust me. The bride is a merciful bride. I mean, look at the kitchen. The bride is endowed. Ha ha ha. I mean, the bride comes with a fridge. The bride, the groom, whichever one you want to call it, the spouse comes with a fridge, yeah, fully finished kitchen for you. You know, it's sweet when you're marrying an asset. The island, so sexy. The kitchen, everything about this house. I mean, check the fridge comes with this house. In the heart of Omole Phase 1, there are so many 700 million naira houses, but no, this house is way cheaper than that. Yeah, I mean it. I mean, check out the living room area, the visitors' toilets. Everything about this house is screaming, I want to
So you
marry
see,
you.
what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. So if you want to buy this, oh, this house is beautiful. If you want to buy this house, you want to marry this house, you want to make this house, build a family with this house, I can assure you this is one of the best house you'll be buying with a good price in Omole Phase 1. So this is like, what am I going to call this now for you? This house has so many fine places. I don't even know. Okay, this is like maybe an office. Then this is one of the rooms, you know. Everything about this house is marry me. If you don't marry me, you're going to regret this. You're going to tell yourself, wish I knew. You're going to explain to the next house, there was somebody I would have married. I wouldn't have married you. I regret the day I set my eyes on you. But when it comes to this house, you're going to tell this house, let's have some babies, baby. So this is like the maybe mini family lounge. So this is another room. See the natural light of this house. This house is peperempe. Yeah, you know. See the natural lights. See the finishing of this house. Cute, handsome, lovely, beautiful. Everything singamenge. So, all rooms and suites. It's a master bedroom, a laundry room, boys' quarter, finished kitchen, and I'm sure you're gonna hold your peace and allow this union be with the new homeowner, serious buyer. I mean, serious new homeowner. So this is another room. You see, because from next year bride price go costs, even groom price it go costs to buy house. So if I were you, I would quickly lock in my house now, except you're expecting the money is not available and the money you're expecting the money. So I pray for you, by this time next year you be living in your own house. Yes, you be living in your own house. I know it's not easy. I know your intention is to buy a house. So God is gonna make it happen for you. So let's go see the master bedroom where the wedding night is gonna be taking place. Or maybe wedding night can be in another country. You know, you come back here and so this is The master bedroom. This is a master bedroom, or we have another bedroom, but this can serve as this is a master bedroom. Very spacious, very wide. You're gonna see the beauty morning, day, and night. This house, you buy it, is gonna bring you blessings. I know that. I can feel it. I can feel it. You buy this house, the blessing is gonna come. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. More blessing will come. So this house is in the market, selling instead of 600 million, it's selling for 500 million, and is even slightly negotiable. Can you beat that? I mean, look at the house. Can you beat it? So if I were you, I will quickly run and come get this house. Don't wait for your enemies to come and get it before you. You cannot afford to lose such a good deal in the heart of, you know, where Omole dey. Omole na your mates. Omole Phase 1 na your mates. See house now in a good location. You want to sell this house, you buy this house this year, you want to sell it next year. You don't know you sell it for 800 million and they will buy it from you. No jokes. No jokes. So let's make it happen for you. See the toilet now. You don't see this kind of toilet before for your life. Check it out. Check it out. Clean house, clean finishing, good price, just for you. Beautiful house. Marry this house and build a family in this house together. Yeah. And become a grandpa and a grandma in this house. So this is the balcony in the heart of Omole Phase 1. So if you want this house, give me a call. I'm right here, baby. I'll make it happen for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. So tell us what you think about this house.